Hi, my name is Dr. Kate Clemmer. I started the Clemmer Method, which is an integrative approach to a vibrant mind, body, and spirit. And what I'd like to share with you today is my first craniosacral therapy treatment. Back in 1984, when I moved to Portland, Oregon to start chiropractic school, I went to an upperclassman for a treatment that I had just met, and I did not know, what type of treatment she was going to give me. I was 21 years old, and I had just moved to Oregon, and I was taking a lot of credit hours, and I was taking 6 hours of cadaver lab and cell histology and lots of credits in science, and it was a very stressful time from just moving from Massachusetts. And so as I lay down on the table, she held my head for, I'm not so sure how long it was, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. And as I settled into the table, I started to feel this very calm, peaceful feeling come over me after coming in there with so much stress on my shoulders. And I went into these in and out of dream states, and I actually started to experience kind of an altered state, but I was also aware of what was happening in the room. So it wasn't like I was asleep or anything like that. It was different. It was a very odd sensation, and I hadn't had that experience before. And so what happened was, when I got up off the table, I said to her, what was that? I feel really good. I really feel different than when I came in. And she said, oh, that was craniosacral therapy. She had studied that before she went to chiropractic school. So from that point on, I took an upledger training, which also was quite powerful for me, and I studied with Dr. Stober, who was working with a cranial person who was working with children with Down syndrome and helping them function better. And then I started practicing and did just regular upledger cranial therapies, craniosacral therapy for, I think it was maybe 10 years. And then I took a training with British osteopath Michael Kern and Catherine Ukeja, which was very growthful for me. It was a 2-year, 700-hour training and really expanded me even more than I was from the first round of studying and treatments. And since then, I've assisted Michael Kern and Franklin Sills, who are both authors in the biodynamic world. And I'm also training to be a teacher. I've been assisting Shariona as a teacher in training, Shariona Mensam. And what has happened is basically it has changed my life from that one time when I got the treatment and I didn't even know, what was happening for the treatment. I didn't know I was going to go get a craniosacral session. It just happened and I experienced it, which was almost a gift in a way because I had no preconceived notions about what craniosacral therapy was. But since then, it's just been such a settling, healing factor in my life to study the work, to practice the work, and to now teach the work. So I just wanted to share that with you because it really changed my life, and that is why I want to continue to use it in my work and also bring it into the world as an instructor of the work. It's very powerful, and it is hard to talk about, but over the next few blogs, I'm going to start talking about it and sharing with you actually the basis of the work and where it comes from. But I just wanted to share with you what it was like for me to have my first treatment, because that was before I knew anything about it, and it was wonderful. So thank you for listening, and more to come, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.